Having a fast laptop is awesome. It means you can get things done quicker. No more waiting forever for things to load. This guide has simple tips to boost your laptop's speed without spending any money. Ready to make your laptop zoom? Let's go. First, we'll clean up your hard drive. Imagine a messy room. It's hard to find anything, right? Your laptop's hard drive is similar. Too many files slow it down. Deleting unnecessary files frees up space and makes your laptop faster. Use built-in tools like Disk Cleanup on Windows, or third-party tools like CC Cleaner for more options. Organize your files into folders to keep things tidy. Transfer large files to an external drive to free up space. Or use cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. These steps will help keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently. Start by removing large files you don't need. Check your downloads folder for big files you might have forgotten. Use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool to find and remove temporary files. Next, uninstall programs you never use. They take up space and can slow things down. Go through your documents and delete anything you don't need anymore. Use a duplicate file finder tool to locate and remove duplicate files. Remember to empty your recycle bin after deleting files. It's like taking out the trash. Now let's move on to updating your software and drivers. Outdated software can make your laptop sluggish. Think of it like using an old phone. It's slow and doesn't have the latest features. Updating your operating system and programs ensures you have the best performance. Drivers are like instructions that tell your hardware how to work. Outdated drivers can cause conflicts and slowdowns. Check for driver updates for your graphics card, network adapter, and other devices. Next up, let's streamline your startup programs. Use the Windows Update tool to keep your system up to date. Open Device Manager to check for outdated drivers. Consider using third-party software like Driver Booster or Snappy Driver Installer for easier updates. Alternatively, download drivers directly from the manufacturer's website for the most reliable updates. Don't forget to check for BIOS updates, which can also improve performance and stability. When you start your laptop, many programs might launch automatically. This can make your laptop take forever to boot up. You can control which programs start automatically. Look for startup apps in your system settings. Disable any programs you don't need running in the background all the time. You can also use Task Manager to manage startup items. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, then go to the Startup tab. Another tool is msconfig. Type msconfig in the Run dialog box, and navigate to the Startup tab to manage your startup programs. For more advanced control, consider using third-party software like CC Cleaner or Auto Runs to manage startup items. There you have it. By following these detailed tips, you can give your laptop a significant speed boost without spending a dime. Gap 3S. Now that you've got your startup programs under control, let's dive into optimizing system settings to further enhance your laptop's performance. One of the first things you can do is adjust your power settings. Head over to your control panel and select Power Options. Choose the high-performance plan to ensure your laptop is using its full potential, especially when plugged in. Next, let's talk about visual effects. While flashy animations and effects can make your interface look cool, they can also slow down your system. To adjust these, right-click on This PC or My Computer, select Properties, then click on Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off unnecessary visual effects. Don't forget about updating your system settings. Make sure your operating system is always up to date with the latest patches and updates from the manufacturer. These updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Lastly, consider using built-in tools like Disk Cleanup and Defragmenter to keep your hard drive running smoothly. Open the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup to get rid of unnecessary files. For traditional hard drives, running defragment and optimized drives can also help in maintaining performance. By tweaking these system settings, you can achieve a noticeable improvement in your laptop's speed and efficiency. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your tech in top shape. Gap 3S. In our quest for a faster laptop, the software you choose can make a big difference. Let's explore how using lightweight software alternatives can free up resources and boost performance. First on the list is your web browser. If you're using a resource-heavy browser like Chrome, consider switching to a lighter alternative like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Both offer excellent performance with lower resource usage. Next, let's talk about Office suites. Instead of using Microsoft Office, which can be quite demanding, try LibreOffice. It's a free, open-source alternative that offers similar functionality without the heavy resource footprint. For photo editing, Adobe Photoshop is a powerhouse but can slow down your system. Instead, give GIMP a try. It's a lightweight, open-source photo editor that can handle most of your editing needs without bogging down your laptop. When it comes to video playback, VLC Media Player is a fantastic lightweight option. It's versatile, supports numerous file formats, and uses fewer resources compared to some built-in media players. Lastly, for cloud storage, consider using services like Google Drive or Dropbox, which are optimized for speed and efficiency. These services offer desktop applications that sync your files without consuming too much system memory. By opting for these lightweight software alternatives, you can keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently. Stay tuned for more tech tips to keep your devices in top shape. Maintaining a fast and efficient laptop isn't just about choosing the right software. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your device in top shape. Let's dive into a few essential tasks that can make a big difference. First up, disk cleanup. Over time, your laptop accumulates temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data that can slow down performance. Use the built-in disk cleanup tool to clear out these files and free up valuable space. Next, let's talk about defragmentation. If you're using a traditional hard drive, defragmenting can help organize fragmented data, making file access faster and more efficient. Windows has a built-in defragmentation tool that you can schedule to run automatically. For those using SSDs, don't worry about defragmentation. Instead, focus on ensuring your drive has enough free space to operate efficiently. Another critical task is running regular antivirus scans. Malware and viruses can significantly impact your laptop's performance. Use a reputable antivirus program to perform regular scans and remove any threats. Keeping your antivirus software up to date is equally important to protect against the latest security risks. Don't forget to check for and install system updates. These updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that can help keep your laptop running smoothly and securely. Lastly, consider using a system optimization tool. These tools can automate many maintenance tasks, such as cleaning up junk files, managing startup programs, and optimizing system settings for better performance. By incorporating these regular maintenance tasks into your routine, you can ensure your laptop stays fast, efficient, and secure. Keep it clean, and keep it running smoothly. Stay tuned for more tech tips to keep your devices in top shape.